Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to set up multi-image target using EasyAR. So as you can see right on the screen, I have a project set up. This is basically a continuation of the previous part, which is on my YouTube channel. I'll provide the link in the description so you can follow. So let's move on. In EasyAR, you have two ways to set up multi-images. First one is to use this game object. It's basically an image target object. And the second one is to duplicate image target behavior component inside the image target. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you right click on this and copy component and paste it as a new, you'll get these two components. So this way requires you to do some scripting. It's not an easy way, so I'll not be doing this. Instead, I'll be using a different way. So let me just remove it. And now to set up our second image target, let's duplicate this image target game object. So you can do it by Control D or right click and then hit duplicate. Now let's rename it to image target 2. Let's delete the cube. So now let's set the image for the second image target object. Let me just move the image target to right so it is visible in the camera. Now we need an image, so I have the image on the desktop. Let me drag and drop it to Unity in the project. Make sure you drag and drop it to streaming assets folder. If you don't drag it there, it will not work. So make sure it should be in streaming assets. Now let me just copy the name of the first image and paste in the path in the second image target. As you can see, make sure you have the right image extension. If you have the wrong one, it will not work. Let's just give it a random name. Alright, let's just leave the size as is. Everything is fine there. Now the image is set. Let's go ahead and add a 3D object or anything you want. So let's use capsule for now. So let's scale it down so it gets fit on the image target. There we go. Now as you can see, the target is set and image target is set. Now there's one more thing is left. Now let's go to the EasyAR startup and select image tracker. It has two options, mod and simultaneous target. The first one is basically to prefer, if you prefer the performance or the quality. It depends upon like how long the image gets to be detected. As you can see, we have two targets. We're detecting two images, so let's set this to 2. Now if you have like more than 2 or more than 3, we will be adding the number according to the images we have. So now we're good to go here. Let's just give it a try and see if it works. Let me just maximize the window and hit play button. Okay, let me detect the target. Okay, so as you can see, we have two targets. One is a target and one is a coconut. So we're basically detecting two images at the same time. Alright, it's working. That's it for today, and hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks, and you have a great day.